Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for latest job opportunities and career tips. So stop scrolling if you want to, get hired into the data engineering or data analytics role, because one of the big giant in the, banking and finance technology, which is Goldman Sachs, is hiring for the data engineer in Bengaluru into a data analyst or data engineering role, where you will get a global exposure and exposure into big data engineering. So this role requires you to have 1 year experience. Only 1 year of experience is enough to get into or land into this wonderful opportunity. So let's deep dive into the opportunity and let's understand all the criteria, including the job details, required skills, and responsibilities that you will be performing. So let's understand before about the Goldman Sachs. So Goldman Sachs is basically one of the world's leading investment banking and financial service firm, founded in 1869 with offices across the globe. Sorry, working at global Sachs means you'll get a global impact, strong brand value, high quality engineering culture, and today they are hiring in India, Bengaluru. So the role details are role as you can see on your screen as well, which is of data engineering into basically into analytics, and location as already mentioned is Bengaluru, and team is client data engineering. So this role sits under the Goldman Sachs Data Engineering divisions, which builds platform and governance system for clean, scalable, and trusted data. So this is about the role, and let's understand what basically is client data engineering. So client data engineering is a high impact team responsible for client identity, data accuracy, data governance, and quality, supporting trading risks and client systems. This data is used across almost every business function at Goldman Sachs. So what you will be doing into this role is all about as a data engineer, or you will be basically designing and building modern data management tools, working on data models, data curations, and governance. Along with that, you'll also be involved into identifying automations, opportunities to improve your efficiency, solving data quality issues both tactically and strategically, working with external teams and the data providers like Bloomberg's, Fastcat, and so many other tools and technologies. Bonus is if you will also be contributing to the Legend Goldman Sachs open source data platform. So that is the bonus of joining this company, especially into this team, client data engineering team. So now let's understand the basic eligibility criteria for this role. So as you can see, they have mentioned everything over here, the basic qualifications and all that. So you will be eligible if you have 1 year of experience and the strong knowledge of SQL database, of course. The SQL is very important, the query language, which is required for almost all the roles out there. Even if you want to become a data analyst or data engineer, even into software engineering as well. So you must be good with SQL. And along with that, they're also expecting understanding of data modeling, data quality and curations, plus domain-driven design and experience working into Agile or Scrum would be preferred. Along with that, you must have the very good communication skill and analytical skill, because data analytics is more about communicating your ideas and to the stakeholders and to your team. Freshers with strong internship experience can also apply. So this is a very good news. Even if you don't have any experience, if you're a fresher and you have got the skills and got the knowledge and also have done some wonderful internships, which have provided you a good skill set in the SQL and data related skills, then you are eligible for this opportunity. Now let's understand what skills Goldman Sachs are specifically looking for. So they are actually looking for someone with the knowledge in relational and columnar SQL databases, data design and multidimensional data understanding, plus problem-solving mindset, ability to work with business stakeholders, taking in ownership and urgency, and commercial thinking. Plus preferred good to have skills are, for example, Python, financial service experience. So if you have worked into Python, you'll be preferred. For example, if you have good knowledge in Python, you have worked with pandas, numpy, or other libraries, then you will be given preferences. So this is all about the required skills and qualifications and the responsibilities. Now let's understand that what's going to be the benefits of joining Goldman Sachs. So they have a lot of benefits of joining, Goldman Sachs. But some of this I will be mentioning now. So first of all, you will get a very good competitive salary, bonuses, medical wellness programs, paid holidays, of course, along with generously financial wellness and retirement planning. Which is again a unique company which provides all some of these facilities. Along with that, you'll also get the learning and career growth opportunity with inclusive and diverse work culture. So these are some of the benefits that you are gonna get. And deadline of this job they haven't mentioned, but yeah, location is Bengaluru. Apply as soon as possible because this job is still live. And if you're serious about data engineering and want to work with the top global investment bank, then you shouldn't be missing this opportunity. So go to the description I mentioned directly for this job. Like this video, subscribe for daily job updates and referral tips. Comment Goldman Sachs or GS data if you want, or to apply for this role, or if you are applying for this role already. And if you want any other data resources or anything, just comment. We'll be more than happy to assist you on that. That's it for this wonderful opportunity. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.